Hello friends, we all know that essay is one of the very important paper for UPSC Civil Services examination. Unfortunately, most of the aspirants don't focus on their essay paper. As a result, they lose marks not only in the essay paper, but in every other paper because they lack the writing skill which can be developed only by practicing good number of essays. I am Dr. Udhesh Singh, a former IRS officer, a top Quora writer and author of 9 books. Friends, I have written the books on ethics, integrity and aptitude and essay paper. I am taking a live class where I shall be discussing the strategies to prepare for UPSC essay paper, and particularly I will focus on the philosophical essays which are nowadays most common in essay paper. So don't miss this free live classes and just join this and you will learn how to prepare best for your essay paper.